I'm looking for a screening scientist to join a startup based in Stevenage. So if you are passionate about addressing unmet patient need and you want to be involved in some cutting edge science and want to be more involved in phenotypic screening and how that operates, if you're from a molecular biology background or a biochem background, that would be a really good fit. You'd be working alongside other people who are also performing CRISPR screening and really cutting edge screening techniques like that. If you are looking for a bit of a step change in your career as well, you could be from working at big pharma at the moment and want to be closer to the science, then this would be a really good opportunity for you. You can really lead the growth and have a real say in the direction of the drug discovery programs as well. So we're really looking for someone at the top of their game who wants to take it to the next level and be involved in a startup who are going to make a huge impact on patient healthcare.